Hi everybody, my name is Sisi Takaki and I am a realtor with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Thanks for joining me today. One of the questions that I get asked a lot as a realtor is, what is the difference between fee simple and leasehold? Here in Honolulu, we have those two distinctions amongst our properties. And you can see that a lot in condominium units here in Waikiki or different parts of Honolulu. They don't have that as much in other areas on the mainland, but here in Hawaii we do. It's one of our unique features. Fee simple is a situation where you own both the property and the land that it resides on. Even if it's in a condominium, you have a portion of the land. Certainly in a single family home, that definitely makes sense. In a leasehold situation, it's a temporary right of ownership, so to speak, where you are in the property, such as a condominium, but you don't own any of the land associated with that condo. And instead, what you do is pay a lease fee to a master landlord that has the fee for that particular location. So it could be a Kamehameha Schools or a Bishop Estates or even a smaller entity. And there's a point in time, let's say 20, 25 years from now, when that particular lease expires and there's a renegotiation process. That negotiation process could mean that they, as the landlord, are willing to sell the fee associated with the land, or that they will say, you know what, instead of you paying the $200 of the lease that you have been, we're going to increase it to $300. There is a kind of a vulnerability, so to speak, during that process. But the reason why people go for leasehold properties is because they tend to be significantly cheaper than fee simple properties. As a realtor, I always encourage my clients to go ahead and purchase a fee simple property because they're going to be building up equity all along the way. And I think that ownership is one of the benefits of that, is that you are creating this next egg over a course of 10, 15 years where you can count on reselling it, hopefully for a lot more than you originally paid for it. In the case of the leasehold, you won't be building up that equity. And so for an investor in a leasehold situation, some people do like that because there may be more cash flow associated with that process. But again, you're not building up the equity, and hopefully there's some cash flow associated with it, but you still are privy to the lease fee as well as the maintenance fees associated with owning a unit in that particular building. For more information, give me a call and we can sit down and go through anything that you have in terms of questions. And my team and I are here to help, and we would love to engage with you.